Microsoft launched its newest update to its operating system, the Windows 11. It comes with many features and a fresh look. While this may be a plus to most users, to some who have grown accustomed to the look and feel of Windows 10, it will be quite uncomfortable to navigate around. One difficult thing a newbie Windows 11 user will find is shutting it down. In this video, we'll show you 7 ways on how to shut down Windows 11. The 7 ways include: 1. Shutting down your PC using the Start menu, just as all other versions of Windows are shut down. 2. Using the Power menu, a not-so-hidden menu that includes many powerful and useful options, including shutting down your PC or signing out. 3. Using the Power button. Nifty, but it can get tricky at times since most computers have their power settings set to put the computer to sleep when the power button is pressed. 4. Through keyboard shortcuts. We'll talk about 2 keyboard shortcuts in this video. If you are an advanced user, you probably know about these shortcuts. 5. Using CMD, also known as the command prompt, a command line interpreter program that goes with every version of Windows. 6. Using Windows Terminal or Powershell. A Windows Terminal is a modern host application for the command line shells like that of command prompt. 7. Lastly, you can shut down via the sign-in screen or the lock screen. Why do we need to learn 7 ways of how to shut down Windows 11? While shutting down a computer seems easy enough, using the Start menu, sometimes something happens to our computer, and suddenly, we can't access the Start menu. Or we can't shut down the computer using the methods we know. Knowing many ways to do it gives you more options and enables you to quick fix simple issues, saving you the time, energy, and money needed to have something so easy fixed by a professional. Let's dive into the many methods. Compared to its predecessors, whose Start button is on the right, the Windows 11 has it in the center. Also, the Start menu looks a little different. You'll find the familiar power icon at the lower right-hand corner of the Start menu. This icon allows you to shut down Windows 11 with a quick click. Clicking it gives you 3 options: sleep, shut down, and restart. The Power menu is one that pops up when you right-click on the Start button. It provides you with a list of options. The shutdown option is at the bottom, just before the last item on the list. Clicking it reveals a drop-down option with 4 items: sign out, sleep, shut down, and restart. Perhaps the quickest way to shut down Windows 11 is via the Power button. With one press, your PC will then instantly shut down. However, the power setting of the computer could mess with it. Instead of a shutdown, a press could put your PC to sleep. To fix this, you need to go to the Control panel, Power Options, and select Choose what the power buttons do. Under When I press the power button, set it to shut down. You may need to restart your computer to apply the settings. After this, you can easily shut down your PC with a quick press at the power button. There are 2 popular keyboard shortcuts you can use to shut down your PC. 1 is pressing the keys Alt and F4 simultaneously. You need to be careful here. F4 is one key and not the F and 4 keys. Make sure that you minimize or close active windows first before pressing the keys. Otherwise, pressing it will close the active window. When all active windows are minimized or closed, pressing the keys will reveal a window that comes with 5 options: switch user, sign out, sleep, shut down, and restart. The second method makes use of the keys CTRL or Control, Alt, and Delete. Pressing these keys simultaneously reveals something like a lock screen. At the lower right side of the screen, you'll find the power icon that you can click to shut down the computer. The fifth method is using the command prompt. You can find it in the start menu by searching CMD or command prompt via the search bar. Once open, you can type shutdown/S and press enter. A dialog box will appear that says you're about to be signed out before your computer shuts down. Similarly, you can find the Windows terminal in the start menu. Once open, type stop computer and press enter. The computer will then shut down immediately. Lastly, you can shut down your computer via the lock screen. The quickest way to lock your PC is by pressing the Windows key and the L key simultaneously. You will then find the power icon on the lower right-hand corner of the screen. That's it! Those were the 7 methods on how to shut down Windows 11. If you feel like you want to try each of the steps, I outlined it in the description with links. Clicking each will redirect you to the part of the video where you'll find the instructions on how to do it. We also have our full instructions at www.wontonleaf.com. You'll find the link in the video description too. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to be notified of new videos too. See you in the next video.